Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm showing you how to earn money from Best Network. আজ আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো কিভাবে Best Network থেকে মানি আর্ন করবেন মাইনিং এর মাধ্যমে। তো প্রথমে আমাদেরকে পেজ অ্যাকাউন্টটি গুগল প্লে স্টোর থেকে ডাউনলোড করে নিতে হবে, দেন আপনি রেজিস্ট্রেশন করে সাইন ইন করবেন। সো অ্যাট ফার্স্ট উই ক্লিক রেজিস্ট্রেশন, টাইপ ইউর ইউজার নেম, দেন ইমেল অ্যাড্রেস, then password. Password must be at 6 character minimum. Retype your password again. Then we need to sponsor ID. It's optional. You can make use my ID R3YADS. Then send OTP. Click the option send OTP. Go to your email address to OTP. Just wait for few minutes. If your internet connection is well, then email will come fast. So I am waiting for Best Network email. Send OTP. Here one OTP. Your journey start now. 882500. It's my OTP. I am putting here. Then click the arrow button. Oh sorry, my OTP is invalid. So again I'm going to email to collect new one. So they will send again account activator code in my email address. So just wait. Email OTP is 882500. Get code. Send get code again. It's not so hard, but my account has some trouble, so I need to OTP again to verify it. Just wait. Peace network, I'm going again. I have one activator code 6 digit 142060. Just I'm copying it and paste into the Peace network. So stay connect with me. 412060. Again click arrow key. I hope it will be work well. So oh sorry, OTP invalid again. So I am typing here the sponsor ID PC. It's my friend sponsor ID PC 943147. Then I am trying again for OTP. So click don't receive OTP code, get code. Just tap the button get code, then go to email address for new one OTP. So almost I have 3 OTP, but it doesn't work here, so I need 2 new one. I am now using new one OTP. 1 minute ago 578698. It's my real OTP. I think it will be work. Oh sorry, new one has come. 265297 is it will be work, I hope. So my account is great finally. I'm checking again the code. Complete. Finally it complete. Hooray. So welcome to Best Network. Type your username and password, then sign in. I'm doing the same. Sign in. Yes, mining. I have own 0.1 Best Network, so it's very well, and every day I hope you will earn every day 24 hours. You need to open the apps and click mining, then it will be work properly. So congratulations, I have received 0.1 PC. After 24 hours I will be come back again and click the button mining, then it will be start mining. So it is very easy to earn mining Best Network. Everyone should download the apps and connect your account, create an account and earn Best Network every day. You can withdraw here Tether USDT by using Tether T20 network. So guys, thank you very much. I hope everyone will be well.